Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. We are diagnosing and repairing a Midmark M11 old style. When repairing these or diagnosing them, there could be many problems. It could be the seals. You want to replace those quarterly, in my opinion. Some people say longer, some people say shorter. My opinion is quarterly. So seals always need to be replaced. Reservoir needs to be cleaned regularly. If you got buildup in the reservoir, it ends up getting into the valves and stuff like that. It'll clog the valves, which makes the machine not hold pressure. So you could be leaking at the door gasket, possibly. You could be having dirt and buildup in your reservoir, causing valves to stick and leak, causing it to fail. You could have a bad pressure relief valve, which is leaking steam, causing it to fail. You could have a board issue. Could be the relays, could be it's out of calibration, could be you have a bad temp sensor. So when coming to repair a Midmark M11 old style, there could be many issues. Get the code off the screen, get the chamber clean, and let's diagnose this thing. Give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3.